Just enjoying a nice flight on my Elytra. Wait, what was that I saw? What? Pause. In this video, I am playing Minecraft, but I can see cells. Animal cells. Pretty incredible, huh? Whoa! Wow, that was close. Oh! Okay, so I don't need any tools other than an axe. So, let's get it going. It's getting dark. I don't want to have to do this at night. Oh, there goes the pickaxe, or the axe. You can see here, this is a pretty big model, but we will not just be looking at the model like this, you know. It's not realistic to just go up on a cell. We have to make it look realistic. Ooh, village. So, there are certain coordinates I have to go to that is really up in the sky. Oh, it's visible right there. So yeah, we have to go up there, and you'll see why we have to go up there in a second. We made it. Ooh. Got this. Nice. Look down the hole. Whoa! This is the whole point of this challenge. Get up here, and it's a microscope. So, time for the educational part, huh? Nucleus contains genetic material, controls the cell. So, this right here, the thing with the red outline and it's pink inside, well, that's the nucleus, and the rails are there to show the genetic material, aka the DNA. And basically the nucleus is like the control center of the cell. It controls movement and a lot of other stuff about it. Next up, we have the cell membrane. Cell membrane is just the outline of the entire cell. This blue outline right along here. That is, it controls what goes in and out of the cell. So, it will not let, like, bad things into the cell, and it lets out waste material. So, that's what it does. Next up, cytoplasm. Jelly-like organelles move through it. So, without looking at the organelles, you just see this green stuff, huh? That is the cytoplasm. The organelles move through it. It is just like the roads of the place. Next up is our cytoskeleton. Helps maintain shape and organization of the cell. So, these bones over here are portraying the cytoskeleton, which maintains the shape of the cell, and also the organization, like how the organelles are put together. Next up, the lysosomes. They break down waste material in the cell. As you can see here, the lysosomes are these things. They have the orange outline and the white inside, and if we look real closely, we see lava, which obviously isn't in an actual lysosome, but it is there to portray that lysosomes break down material. Waste material, to be exact. Next up, we have our vacuoles. They help store waste material and water. In animal cells, that's mostly waste material. So, I could really only portray it with water here, but just imagine they're storing waste. These black things with the blue inside. Yeah. Next up is the rough ER. The rough endoplasmic reticulum. it helps produce proteins for the cell. So that is this thing right next to the nucleus. Well, this part is the smooth ER, but the stuff with the dots all over it is rough ER. And those dots are ribosomes, which is our next thing, which is the main source of making protein. So the rough ER just helps out, but the main source is the ribosomes, which are also located here and in other parts, like right there and down here. So they make a lot of protein for the cell, which is important for the cell's health. Next up, our Golgi Apparatus. It modifies and transports proteins. So right here, this purple and magenta thing is the Golgi Apparatus, and it'll modify things so that so that the proteins are capable of like moving through the cell, like they are the correct thing for the cell. It's kind of hard to explain, but that's the best I can do. And it basically just transports them throughout the cell. And our last thing, but certainly not the least, the mitochondria, the main source of the cell's energy. So these things right here, portrayed by a lot of redstone. These ones aren't doing well, but this one, as you can see, is blinking on and off. I don't know why some of the others aren't, but yeah, they are the main source of the cell's energy. They make energy, and the energy is used for a lot of the cell's things, like movement and just almost everything that the cell does, except for passive transport. So that is everything you need to know about an animal cell. One last thing I want to do is show you guys how I have like portrayed this stuff. So I'm gonna need to not die here. So I'm just gonna go over to this ocean. Oh, I'm dead. No, I suck at typing. Okay, up close to this stuff. So they break down materials basically. Pretend that I'm a waste material. Yeah. Okay, next. These, the vacuoles. Pretty simple. Water. They should be waste material though. So, next. Whoa, I'm standing on DNA. There it goes. So, it is the main source of energy for the cell, the mitochondria. So I just wanted to portray it by something that relates to energy in Minecraft, which is redstone. And I decided to make a redstone clock going like this along the mitochondria. If you want to see how the mitochondria actually like looks without all this redstone stuff, is this. So, moving on. That's basically everything to portray. Oh, and also something I didn't mention. This yellow thing is a nucleolus. It is located in the nucleus. And it also helps make proteins, I think. Yeah, I was right. Huh. Okay. Oh no! Yeah, why didn't I think of that? Okay. Come on. Wait a minute. Oh no, it went under there. The thing I'm trying to portray is, it don't burn. Netherite doesn't burn, and I named it Virus because, well, for obvious reasons. Cells can't stop viruses. The infamous 16 FPS MLG water bucket from the build limit. Oh my gosh, I'm cracked. Let's go. First try. Alright, see you guys.